Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika and here at TipRanks we love to hear what different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Today we're going to look at two high-yield dividend stocks that Billionaire Israel Englander bets on. Now before we jump into this video guys, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Also remember, TipRanks TV is live and that's where you can watch our financial content in an ad-free space. The link is in the description box and in this video. Now without further ado, let's jump into this video. There's one thing that's certain, and that is that markets are unpredictable. And that unpredictability is increasing. In fact, this past week has seen the sharpest day-to-day volatility on Wall Street since 2020. There's so many reasons for this volatility. There's higher inflation that continually is rising and the wages are not keeping up with that. Then of course, the Russia-Ukraine invasion is the largest war seen in Europe since 1945. And of course, because of this invasion, commodity prices, particularly in energy and food, is set to rise. Now, of course, that is why a lot of investors are looking to hedge their portfolio through high-yield dividend stocks, because it's a way they can gain passive income amidst the volatility in the stock market prices. Israel Englander is known for his long-term hedge success. He's the founder of the Millenium Fund. The Millenium Fund started with $35 million in 1989. And now it manages over $196 billion worth. In fact, even in the pandemic, Englander's fund saw returns of $10.2 billion. So let's take a look at two of the recent buys of the Millenium Fund. Both are real estate investment trusts that are notoriously known for their fantastic dividend-paying capabilities. The first stock is Arbor Realty Trust, and its ticker is ABR. Arbor Realty Trust is a mortgage lender and it operates in the multifamily residential sector as well as the commercial property sector. Arbor works with both Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, providing direct funding for their loans as well as financing developers for multifamily residences. Arbor focuses its efforts on large-scale loan securitization. In February, the company closed two such arrangements. The first for $2.05 billion and the second for $489 million. The securitization ensures funding for multifamily real estate mortgage loans. Also in February, Arbor reported its Q4 2021 financial results with good news for dividend investors. The company's net income came in at $126 million, up from $112 million in the year-ago quarter. Distributable earnings were listed at 57 cents and provided full coverage of the common stock dividend. This dividend was declared at 37 cents per share. At that rate, the dividend annualizes to $1.48 per common share, and it gives a yield of 8.12%. Importantly for investors, the dividend declaration marked the 7th quarterly increase in a row. And Millenium Management noticed this performance, and Englander's fund bought 1,108,129 shares in ABR, per the most recent regulatory filing. These shares increased an existing holding by 750% and are currently worth over $19.5 million. The current price for Arbor Realty sits at $17.49. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy, and the analyst price target on Arbor Realty is $21, which is a 20.07% upside based on 3 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. The second stock that caught Englander's interest is Physicians Realty Trust, and its ticker is DOC. Physicians Realty Trust is another real estate investment trust, and it has a property portfolio consisting of healthcare-related sectors. Physicians Realty Trust buys, manages, and leases these properties, and the tenants are primarily hospitals, medical clinics, and physician practices. These properties located across continental US boast an overall occupancy rate of 95%. Of the total properties, 246 are medical office buildings, known as MOBs, which hold 84% of the company's total leasable square footage. Physicians Realty completed a major acquisition this past December when it added 4 MOBs from the Landmark portfolio to its own. These buildings are like Physicians Realty Trust pre-acquisition holdings and are 95% leased. 3/4 of the leases are to investment-grade tenants. The company paid a total sale price of $750 million to make the acquisition, and it expects a first-year cash yield of 4.9% from the landmark buy. In fact, not long after the landmark acquisition, Physicians Realty Trust declared its fourth quarter dividend for 2021 at 23 cents per common share. The payment marks the 34th consecutive quarterly dividend. It annualizes to 92 cents per share, which gives a yield of 5.4%. Dividend investors should note that Physicians Realty Trust, in its Q4 2021 report, listed total funds from operations, which is FFO, a key metric that supports the dividend, of 26 cents per share, making the current dividend rate sustainable for the company. The current price for Physicians Realty is $16.78. The analyst rating consensus is a moderate buy, and the analyst price target is $19.63, which is a 16.98% upside based on 8 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. And of course, clearly Englander saw something attractive here. He increased his existing holding in Physicians Realty by a whopping 6,198% through a buy of 1,972,817 shares. At current rates, these shares are valued at $33 million. So guys, those are the 2 high-yield dividend stocks that Englander's fund bought. Let us know what you think of these 2 stocks in the comments below. Here at TipRanks, we love to hear from you. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Also, we have TipRanks TV, which is live. This is where you can watch all our financial content in an ad-free space. That is linked in the description box and in this video. Also remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!